This is Vicki Walker for ExpertVillage. We have just about finished with assembling the entire tab top shower curtain. We have this bling that we can add for further trim to it. It's shell trim. I've got two different colors that I think will look nice on there. And I'm just going to sew them on randomly. I will take them out of the package and place them around just as random as I can decide to, and then sew them on one at a time. I think this is good for the purpose of this demonstration, and then I will sew more on later on. Got to go around this way for a moment to get to my thread. And I'll just be sewing these on. There's one tiny hole in each one of these little shell trim pieces. So I will sew them on one at a time in random fashion. I will complete that later on. It won't be completely on camera because that would be a time-consuming thing. But these will be scattered around, and then the next clip will be showing putting the shower curtain up and looking at the finished product. This is the last step in our sewing of our tab top curtain and the decorations on it.